Hey everybody, welcome to the video. So today I've got this John Deere Z930M in the shop, and I need to change the oil in this and just service it. But when I went to pick it up, it had a dead battery, so the first thing I did was put it on the battery charger. And if you don't know, the battery's right under the seat. And so we've got this charging. I think it should be charged up, so I need to take it outside and clean this thing up a little bit before I start working on it. You can see it's got quite a bit of leaves on it, quite a bit of dirt on it, and quite a bit of dirt on the engine compartment as well. So let's get this thing out of here and clean it up a little bit. I don't always clean equipment before I work on it, although it's probably a good idea. But if you think about it, if your shop rate is $40 to $50 an hour, you really want to pay somebody that much to clean something off, or maybe just do it before you send it in for service? A lot of times just a good leaf blower will take care of most of this, but this one got the deluxe treatment and we got the power washer out. So the engine in this mower is a 25 horsepower engine that says John Deere on it, but I'm pretty sure it's manufactured by Kawasaki. It has a nifty oil drain system, and there's a hole in the frame, and then also there's a little ledge, and when you take your filter out, all the oil that drips out of that filter goes right through that same hole too, so you don't have to move your drain pan. When you go to put the oil drain plug back in, just be careful. If you over tighten it, you can turn the little oil drain spout, and you don't want that. Just take it easy. It doesn't take a lot of torque. You always want to oil your new filter's gasket, and this is how I do it. Several years ago, I started marking oil filters with the hours of the piece of equipment and then also the date, which I just use the month and the year. But I tell you what, it sure has saved me having to guess when the last time I've changed oil on a certain piece of equipment is. It's a pretty good deal. So I looked online and I found that this motor takes 2 quarts of oil. So we used full synthetic 10W30 from Napa, and when I filled it up, I put 2 quarts in it. I started it to get oil in that filter, and then when I checked the level, I had to add about another cup to top it off. The reason this mower was so dirty is it's used to mulch leaves into the winter. And I'll tell you what, the yard that it maintains, it looks about as good as any golf course you'll ever find. And one of the things that's really good about this particular mower is this dual element filter really does a great job about keeping that dust out of the mower. Now, you can clean off those filters, but on the inner filter, and I've seen this on a bunch of them, it says do not clean the inner filters. When they get dirty, just throw them out and replace them. But you can clean those outer filters. So this is after I've already started it and checked it, and I've added another cup of oil. So this one has two quarts and 1 cup. To get access to the blades to be able to sharpen them, I went ahead and used this gantry crane from Harbor Freight. And I'll tell you what, for working on mowers, that thing is a heck of a good tool. But always remember safety. Anytime you jack something up, go ahead and throw jack stands under it. You don't want that thing falling on you. Make sure you put the blades on the correct way. I've seen several mowers that have had the blades on upside down. So a lot of times I'll go ahead and take a picture of them the way they go. Our final step will be to grease this beast, and it has 5 Zerk fittings. Always make sure you take a rag and clean the tip of that Zerk fitting. You don't want to push dirt in with your fresh grease. We'll get this all buttoned back up, check it out, test it, and then take it back to its owner. Well, that's going to do it for this service of this John Deere Z930M. If you got anything out of this, give us a thumbs up. It absolutely helps the channel. And we invite you to subscribe to see more. Have a great day and be safe.